Okay, so over here we have a Clevertouch interactive display board. And what this is basically a really intelligent whiteboard. It has a whole bunch of applications in here. So over you see over here, you can present. So we have applications over here. You can obviously store files in here as well. You have a browser, open applications. We have our list of applications, and we'll start adding more as well. So we can add Trello, we'll add Google Meet. So as you notice, it has a microphone and a camera. So we'll use them as virtual meetings as well. It has a whiteboard functionality as well, similar to the Jamboard. And on here you can scribble. Alright. And then there's a lot of other panels that you can use over there. Right. So now we go home. And then over here you have different ways of connecting to the interactive display. For example, we have the PC function. So the interactive display board has a built-in PC. So if you need to access Windows, you can maybe access Trello through the Ops PC. So the Ops PC allows you to access the operating system of this Android device. Then we have the Lux, which is the current GUI that we are in, the graphical user interface. We obviously have 3 outputs for HDMI, Type-C, a display port, and VGA, controlling volume as well. So now I will show you as well how to connect to the board wirelessly in case you need to share a presentation. Okay, so now I'll be explaining how to share wirelessly using the Clevertouch and the software that's loaded on our laptop. So the software will be published to all end-user laptops in the next week or 2. So the first thing I have to do is access the LuxSpot access point. So on your wireless, you select the LuxSpot access point. So you should see a LuxSpot coming up in your wireless connection spots. So once you connect it to LuxSpot, you'll see on the TV. So you should see a drop down with a number. So you click on the number and you see it displays there. So that is the code that you have to enter on your laptop in order to connect wirelessly. So I'm going to enter the number right now. So I'm connected, and then it asks me how I want to share my presentation. So for this instant, I'm just going to do my entire desktop mirror. And then it should load and ask you for a screen. So obviously there's a couple of tabs open. A nice function is here, you can actually extend your screen. So in case you have files or data you have on your laptop you don't want to share, you can extend it. For this instance, I'll just do my entire desktop screen. I'll say mirror. And now on the screen you'll see that my entire desktop is mirrored. So I can now present, and also the audio comes through the Clevertouch display. And then if you're done with your presentation, all you have to do is click on close and disconnect from your Clevershare. Once you're done with your meeting, obviously you can connect back to the Roche Airway connection. So you disconnect from the LuxSpot again and then you connect to Roche Airway.